Alright.
City with the windows down. Heard that you was talking about him right there. Boy, I swear to God, you better switch pronouns. I don't ride waves, I don't switch no sound. I don't hang 10, I'm 10 toes down. Had a little song I was gonna put first, but boy, goddamn, it's an intro now. Right back to it, never left out. Except for that week I had strep out. Know the shit boom when we come down south, and I had to bring my own little metro. 2-4 on him and the kid psychotic. If you looking for the flows of the hits, I got it. When the sun goes down, I'ma creep up on it like a thief in the night, finna pick your pockets. I ain't really fucking with you hype beats. Really though, I put it on everything. I don't really be at no shindigs. I ain't been happy since 13. Side high told me how to deal with the writer's block. Got me thinking maybe I was thinking inside the box. Now we in the house, finna bring it around the block. Know they wanna hang, but we hanging them out the dry. Guess they never seen this shit coming. She a little older, didn't think she'd be coming. Only thing I'm trying to do is keep this shit jumping. So I turned this motherfucker to a pole vault. Chicken finger plate for the road dog. Heard that you was working on a mixtape. Really, you can keep it like the coleslaw. Bring the beat back like the overalls. Your boyfriend a tool, that's a cobalt. When I'm in the booth, make it snowfall. Ain't nobody in my class, check the roll call. Yeah. One name on it. Bring the beat to me, I'ma come skate on it. Something like Timmy, I'm a one take on it. Boy, I know the shit's hot, I don't want takes on it. Yeah, pre-med shorty. Turn me on like she hit the reset on me. Told me that we living different lives right now. When I graduated, it was recess for me. Always frat boys, home fuck with the boy. Even when it's really something they can come to enjoy. She don't listen to the lyrics, but she fuck with my voice. I got 100 situations that I wanna exploit, and I'ma do it. That's right, running through the city on my last life. Know I had to beat it down last night. When she leave the crib, she get baptized every time. Funny how it all works out. Right before I did this, I was feeling burnt out. Now the whole city about to get burnt down.